Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling ingredients so you can mix without interruption. Pour 1/2 cup distilled water into a sanitized 4 Oz spray bottle. This prevents mineral residue. Next, add 1/4 cup white vinegar to help neutralize odors and 2 tsp glycerin or aloe gel to bind scent and soften spray. Once done, add 5-10 drops of a child-safe essential oil if tolerated. This gives a pleasant smell and gentle association with success. Make sure to label the bottle and note the date. You now blend and refine the spray so it's both effective and safe. Close the bottle and shake vigorously for 30 to 45 seconds to emulsify the vinegar, glycerin, and oil. Then test a short spray onto toilet paper and wait 30 seconds to judge scent and any surface reaction. If the aroma is weak, add 1-2 drops of essential oil. If it's strong or irritating, dilute with 1 tsp distilled water. Make sure to retest until the scent is pleasant and mild. You finish by setting storage and usage rules so the spray stays safe and useful. Store the bottle at room temperature away from direct sunlight and plan to replace it within 2 to 4 weeks. Freshness matters for scent and safety. Show your child one light spray after successful toilet trips and pair it with praise so they link the smell to achievement. If any skin or respiratory irritation appears, stop use immediately. Dilute further or omit essential oil entirely, and consult a pediatrician if symptoms persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.